Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use the Connecteam effectively. So, first thing that you are going to do here is you have to know um, what's the purpose of the Connecteam. So, it's especially for teams, staff, or organization who want better communication, time tracking, and task management in all one app. So, you can use either the desktop or the application. So you can use your mobile phone for that one. Okay, so by the end of this video, you will know how to set up your team, communicate with the employees, track time and attendance, assign tasks, and schedules. Okay, so it is perfect for small businesses, student organizations, field workers, event teams. You can also use this one for like team chat and announcements, collect in and collect out, task management, scheduling, and file sharing. So everything happens all in one mobile app. Okay, so now creating the Connectem account. So first is you just have to download the app. So from App Store or Google Play, and then you can also use it on a browser. Okay, so when you're using your browser, then I just have to open a new tab, and then I just have to search for Connecteam. That's right, and then you have this first result, so you just have to simply tap on this one. That's right, and then you just have to sign up for an account. Okay, so you can sign up using your email. You can create your company team name, and then choose your role as an admin. Okay, and then as an admin, you can control the settings, users, and the content. Okay, so this is your profile right here. So you can switch to users view if you want to. You have your settings, notification, integrations, and etc. Now, the next thing that we are going to do here is to add your team members. Okay, so all we have to do is to go to the users. So add users. That's right. So simply tap on this one, and then you just have to enter their name, their email, their phone number, and then the next one is you just have to assign them to a group or department, and then I can also send an invite link so they can join easily. So tip for this one is you can organize users by department or rule for better control. Okay, so you just have to add the first name right here. For example, Claire. Okay, and then you just have to add here their number 65345519. Okay, so next is you just have to simply tap on the confirm option, and then make sure to check this box as well. Okay, so the phone number already exists, but yeah, that's how you can add any user. So the next one that we are going to do is to using the chat and announcement section. So communication is one of the Connect team's strongest features. So the team chat, so just have to go to the chat section. Okay, and then here we can streamline our organization's instant communication with a dedicated work chat for one-on-one and team conversation, plus unique managerial tools to keep communication simple and secure. To tap on the go to chat option. Okay, so you can either create group chats or private messages. You can share photos, your files, or voice notes. So this one is perfect for daily updates or quick coordination. So for the announcement, you can go to updates or announcement, post important notices, require employees to acknowledge the message, or this one is great for rules, reminders, or urgent updates. Okay, so let's just skip this part. Okay, so for example, all users team jump right here. Okay, that's right. And then yeah, you just have to create your group chat right here. Now the next one that we are going to do is the time collect. This is the clock in and the collect out. So now let's talk about the time tracking. So for the time tracking, I'm just going to tap on the time clock option right here at the left side. So tap on this one. Okay, so we can set rules like GPS location, required selfie, break tracking, employees simply tap clock in when they start. Okay, so let me just access this clock right here. Okay, so for example, this one. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. So the employees can simply tap the clock in when they start, tap the clock out when they finish. So admins can view the work hours, the overtime. So we have that right here. And then the attendance reports. So no more manual timesheets for this one. Okay, now the next one is the task management and checklist. So Connect Team is also great for assigning task. So you just have to go to the task section. Okay, so we can go here to the quick task. Okay, so we can create new task or checklist. So just simply tap on it and then assign it to a person or group. Okay, so for example, we are going to add a new task. So add a single task right here. You just have to give this task a title. So for example, an update. Okay, and then assign to a specific user. So for example, just yourself, and then tap on the publish task. Okay, so of course, for this task, you can set deadlines and priority so employees can mark tasks as complete, add comments or photos. This is perfect for daily duties, events, or project tracking. Okay, so you'd be able to see here general task and then the no label assigned task. Okay, so the status, you have that one right here, the start date and the due date for this one. Okay, so you can add your specific deadlines. Okay, so you just have to customize this one. Then the next one is the scheduling and the shifts. Okay, so to do this one, you just have to for scheduling, just open the schedule. Okay, so you just have to create shifts. Just go here to the schedule section. That's right, and then you just have here to access the schedule. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So you have here the schedule. So right here, you just have to create a shifts. Okay, and then after that, you just have to assign the users and then publish the schedule. So for example, this one right here. Okay, so we have the location, the date, the details for this one. Okay, for the shift task. Okay, so you have that one right here, and then we have the shift tags if you want to add the shift tags. Okay, so for the users, I'm just going to assign this one. So since this is the only users that is available, then after assigning this schedule and this shift, so you just have to simply tap on the publish option. Okay, so now tips to use the Connecteam effectively. So you can keep announcements short and clear. So you can use groups for better organizations, train your team in basic features, and check reports weekly. So consistency is the key to success. So if you found this helpful, do not forget to like this video, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.